Na-realize nyo ba na sa sobrang evil at corrupted ng mundong to, kapag gumawa ka ng mabuti, pagtatawanan ka? I mean, it's okay if they will laugh at you, they will mock you, sabihan kayong baduy or corny kasi nagbabasa kayo ng Bible or nagsishare kayo ng Word of God sa social media nyo. It's okay. I mean, why care about what other people say to you? Kasi kapag lagi nyong iniisip yung sasabihin ng ibang tao, you will end up becoming a people pleaser. What really matter is what God will say to you on Judgment Day. Individual po tayong haharap sa Kanya. Hindi niyo po makakasama yung mga kaibigan or kapamilya ninyo na pumipigil sa inyo na mag-share ng salita ng Diyos. Kasi natatakot kayo, nahihiya kayo, baka pagtawanan kayo. If you deny Lord here on earth, He will deny you in heaven. If anyone is ashamed of me and my message in these adulterous and sinful days, the Son of Man will be ashamed of that person when He returns in the glory of His Father with the holy angels. Don't let them influence you. Influence them. Sabi sa James 4 verse 4, you adulterers, don't you realize that friendship with the world makes you an enemy of God? I say it again. If you want to be a friend of the world, you make yourself an enemy of God. Ako, ayoko maging enemy si God. It is a fearful thing to fall into the hands of the living God. Stop being a people pleaser. Yung mga taong yan, they will fail you. But Jesus will never fail you.